Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we share helpful tips and tricks to make your online experience better. In this video, we'll be showing you how to specify who can see your status in WhatsApp on your Android device. WhatsApp status is a great way to share what you're up to with your contacts, but sometimes you may want to limit who can see your status updates. You can do this by following the steps below. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, go to Status by tapping on the Status tab. After you finish editing your story, you'll see a button at the bottom of the screen called Status, usually with the words My Contacts in brackets. Tap on this button to proceed, then select the suitable option according to your preference. If you choose My Contacts, all your contacts will be able to view your status. If you choose My Contacts Accept, you have to choose the contacts you want to hide your status from. And if you choose Share With, you can select the specific contacts who will be able to view and react to your status. It's worth noting that if you choose My Contacts Accept or Share With, the contacts you exclude won't be notified that you've excluded them from viewing your status. They simply won't see your status updates. You can also check who has viewed your status by swiping up on the screen while viewing your status. This will show you a list of all the contacts who have viewed your status. And that's it. You have now successfully learned how to specify who can see your status in WhatsApp on your Android device. This feature can help you share your status updates with the people you want and keep them private from those you don't. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.